Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi and here is my first task of graduational internship program. So the problem was to predict using supervised ML. So in this problem, in this regression task, we will predict the percentage of marks that a student is expected to score based upon the number of hours it studied. It is a simple regression task as it involves just two variables, first hour and second scores. So what I have done is we first I have imported all libraries which are needed like Panda, NumPy, Matplotlib for plotting the graph. Second, I have loaded the dataset. As this dataset was provided in the PDF, now I have used head method. As this head method displays the above 5 record of the dataset. Then I have used shape method as it shows that our data set contains 25 rows and 2 columns. Next, info method. So this info method just provide the information related to the columns and other types like what are the value, what type of values are in this data set. So the second method is describe. As this describe methods give statistical details of the dataset: count, mean, standard, minimum, maximum values. Now data visualization. We have plotted scatter plot between studies hours versus percentage score. From the above graph, we can clearly see that there is a positive linear relationship between the number of hours studies versus percentage of score. So now preparing the data. Now we are preparing the data and splitting it into test and training data. The attributes stored in X variable we specify as -1 as the range for the column. Since we wanted our attribute to set to contain all the columns expected the last one, which is scores. Similarly, phi variable contains the labels. Now from sklearn model selection import training test split. Now we have splitted our data into training and testing. So our script splits 80% of data to training set while 20% of the data to the test. Now training the model. With scikit-learn, it is extremely straightforward to implement linear regression model, as all you really need to do is to import linear regression class, instant it. This fit method along with our training data is about as simple as it gets when using machine library to train our data. Now we are training our algorithm. So first we have printed the intercept point. It's approximate 2.01. Then we have printed the coefficient, which value coefficient of x, as its value comes near about 9.91. This shows if a student studies 1 hour more than they previously studied for an exam, they can expect to achieve an increase of 9.91 in the score achieved by the student previously. Now we are plotting a regression line plot. Checking the accuracy scores of training and tests. So we have printed the test score, which is near about 0.967, and training score, which is 0.9491. So we have printed the Y predicted values, which are 28, 34, 52, 39, and so on. So let's make prediction. Y predict regressor, predict extend. Now we have printed all actual value versus predicted value. Through our model, it is not very precious. The predicted percentages are close to the actual ones. Now evaluating the algorithm. So from sklearn we have imported metrics. Now we have calculated mean absolute error, which is 3.920, and mean square error, which is 18.94, and mean square error 4.3. The above value of root mean square error is 4.64, which is less than the 10% of the mean value of the percentage of all students, 51.48. This means that our algorithm did a decent job. So there was a question: what will be predicted score if a student studies 9.25 hours? So just we have predicted it, and we got a value that 92.38. If a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, he will score 92.3% in his exam. So here was my task 1. Thank you.